Hello folks, how are you? Hope you're still with us. Do you own a Kia? Do you own a Kia as a motor car? Do you own a Kia? Or do you know someone that has a Kia Sportage? Or if you're in Europe, here in Europe, you know someone who knows a Sportage or a Kia Ceed? Any of those cars? Because this is the plant where they're manufactured here in Slovakia. This is the Kia plant, Kia Slovakia. And yeah, so we got destinations. I'll get rid of that. There we go. So this is where it's at, Kia Motors. So Kia Motors is where we are now, and it's Kia. There you go, Kia Motors. So this is the actual address, Teplica nad Vanom, Slovakia. This we are 450 metres away. So this is it right here. So 450 metres takes us into the main entrance, which is all barricaded, or with boom gates, I should say, and that. So our present position's here. So we're right here in Teplica nad Vanom, here in Slovakia. So yeah, yeah, so this is where, as I said before, this is where the Kia Ceed's made. So you've got the Kia Ceed, the Kia X-Ceed, which is the SUV version of the Kia Ceed, which is what we had in England in 2023, and yeah, so, and also the Sportage, which we get in Australia too, made here in Zilina, Slovakia here, and exported to Australia. So yeah, so makes quite a lot of cars, this plant does. And obviously, yes, being a lower wage Kia plant where people are paid, I think it's about €5 an hour or thereabouts, or a little more than that, maybe €6 an hour at best. So what's that, 3.6? About a little bit more, little over $9 Australian dollars, $9.40, $9.50 Australian an hour, and that's where they're made right here. Yeah, but this plant's been here for a long time, since, not sure exactly, I think about 2006, 2007, when the first Kia Ceeds were made. That's basically a European version of a Hyundai i30. Yeah, so made in this plant here in Zilina, Slovakia. But you look at the view though, you've got the Kia plant here, and you've got the mountain peaks. They're all part of the Tatras, I think, or the height of Tatras mountain range. Looks absolutely lovely. Wonder what it'd be like in winter time. That's a warm day out there too, it's 14 degrees. Yeah, it's a warm day. It is. Why don't you believe me? So I'll just move forward to that, because we're right next to where the bus stop is, right here. This bus stop here, they have a bus service here which caters for all their staff members, their team members, and takes them to wherever they need to go, wherever they live. The bus service takes them there, and so it's another little perk. You see all the cars there. There's Kia Sportage, new models, Kia Ceeds. So you've got the Kia Ceeds. So you've got Kia Ceeds in the centre. Yeah, you've got all the others for Kia Sportage, a new model Kia Sportage. So it's all proudly made here in Slovakia, here in Zilina. This is where they come from. We'll go for a bit of a drive down. You'll see the big buildings and that. We can't do a tour anyway. It's the late Saturday afternoon. You'll see all that. You got a couple of staff members and whatever else and that. And yeah, so that's all the foundry, all the plant sections, all in here. You got people going to work. There'll be people going to work, starting that little cafe there. Staff car park, so you've got people doing shifts. So yes, car manufacturing here is something that doesn't stop. So yes, we'll turn right up here anyway as well.
Now turn right.
But you'll see why we can't go in anyway when we go further up here.
In 250 meters, use the right-hand lane and turn right.
There you go. Kia Slovakia, Nakladna, Vratnica. There you are. Oh, those mountains look good. But this is why we can't go in. This is why. Yeah, this is all gated off. That reason goes in a fair way though. But yeah, so we'll go around the back of it anyway. Those truck parkings for Kia Slovakia.
In 300 meters. turn left.
Of a Kia K4. New Kia K4. SMC. There you go. That is a nice view. That is nice. Touches.
In 300 meters,
there you
turn
have it.
left onto Poker Street.
So I'll turn that off. I'll edit, bit Kia Motors now, so I head to Bratislava, Zilina, 5Ks. Yeah, so that's where the Kia plant is here in Zilina. Yes, only a relatively small city, Zilina, and that's not it's not what you'd call modern by any means. It's a
Follow
very
the
old.
course of the road for the next 2 kilometers.
It's a very old town. You got all these little houses and that. But yeah, as I said before, he only pays around about 5, 6, 7 euros an hour. Yeah, that's all it is. As is common throughout Eastern Europe. Other parts of Eastern Europe might have an average wage of, well, it could be at least 200 euros per month. And like places like Romania, Bulgaria, and any of those other countries, Moldova. So they're not high wage earning countries by any means. And yeah, small town like this makes sense to have a plant which is cheap to operate, any low wages, etc. But the quality of Kia cars is good here. And anybody that's had a Kia Sportage, or a Kia Ceed or a Kia Exceed would know this. Yeah, so pretty good cars. As I said before, we've had one as a hire car in England in 2023, a Kia Exceed. Very, very pleased with it. Yeah, very good car. Really good car, actually. But anyways, now you know where Kia is here in Slovakia, in this beautiful town of Zilina. Anyway, stay with us and that. We're going to head out to Bratislava now. So I'm going to see Bratislava again. That's a nice little place. Go see the candy store and that. We'll go for a walk around the town again. Yeah, it just looks like a cheap hotel up here too. Pension. There you go. So you look here and that. And, so Pension Anton SK start. Nice for parachuting and hang gliding. There you go. Yes. Oh. Anyways, stay with us and that. There's plenty more where that came from. And we will talk to you very soon. So do take care. Laters. Au revoir.